Netgear's unmanaged 5-port PoE Plus Gigabit Ethernet switch has arrived. The GS305PP is Netgear's newest switch, able to support up to 83 watts of PoE power on 4 ports. In your home, your small office, or your conference room, you can now connect up to 4 PoE or PoE Plus devices instantly without any complicated configuration. PoE Plus devices include wireless access points, IP cameras, VoIP phones, or IoT devices. With its stylish and sturdy black metal case, fanless design, and desktop or wall mount positioning, the GS305PP is the ideal upgrade to any network for the easy installation of 4 PoE Plus devices in your home or office. The GS305PP is simply the product that you need for plug-and-play setup of small installations at the most affordable cost for 83-watt PoE deployments. As a part of the plug-and-play unmanaged switch family, the GS305PP comes with Netgear's full set of powerful features. Non-blocking switching architecture for maximum throughput at wired speeds. Auto MDI and MDIX eliminates the need for crossover cables. LEDs to indicate activity on each port and energy-efficient technology for power savings. Auto negotiation for automatic connection at the highest common speed between the switch and the end device. Here at Netgear, we strive to give businesses the switching solutions they need when they need it. With us, you're at the forefront, so sit back and relax because we've got you covered.